Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna show you my apartment. This is actually the second time I'm trying to film this because the first time it was so long. I just kept stumbling over my words and it was a little like monotone. I didn't sound too excited, so gonna retry today and not take so much time showing every little detail. So I will also explain the difference between like officetel and apartment and everything at the end, so stay tuned. And also, one piece of information I wish I knew before we got this place. So, stay tuned. And let's get on with the video. So like all Korean apartments, we will start in the doorway. So it has the number pad, so I never have to bring my key or worry about losing it or not forgetting it. All Korean homes have like this little area where you take your shoes off and then you not everyone wears slippers, but yeah, Sean's not here, so his are right there. And then this is a shoe closet storage thingy. So yeah, just shoes. But then we have these two little drawers. So we just have random stuff in here. Sean's passport. I don't know why it's here. Bags, shopping bags. This is like a kind of like a mat when we go for picnics and stuff. And then we have some masks, some extra masks, and Kleenex. More Kleenex and some of these like towel things. I honestly don't know what's up there. Oh, Sean's hats. Okay. And there's one more that we have. Oh yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. This always happens every time I open this. Either the broom falls out or my umbrella. Oh, we have extra detergent down there. Some Tupperware Sean's mom gave us. We just have extra stuff that we don't need in here. So like toilet paper and paper towel, more toothbrushes and toothpaste. Extinguisher. So if we look up here, you can see into the living room, but we're gonna turn right first and go into the washroom. You might have seen this already if you watched my morning routine. I come here in the morning obviously, but in Korea we have slippers that we have to wear. Toilet, the mirror. Oh, this is like a little medicine cabinet or whatever you want to call it. Just have some makeup and the Windex, some extra soap and toothpaste. Well, this is my makeup remover. I just keep it here. Sean's like travel bag. I usually have toilet paper, so I need to stock that up again. Yeah, just some soap, mirror. To the left, I have like a small Body Shop tea tree wash. Sean always steals mine into the shower. So I would like this place, sorry for the echo, I like this place because the shower is separate from everything else. I had to buy this thing because there's nowhere to put anything when we first came. But yeah, I just have shampoo and conditioner that I brought from Canada, and body wash, our face wash. This is Sean's. Oh, is he running low? Yeah, he is. You just like the glass, you just close it here. Yes, cool, let's go. Next room. Oh, so this rack only holds like one towel, like hand towel. So if we go into the other room here, we keep our towels here usually to hang to dry. So mine's in the back here. So this is our dressing room. It has 3 closed dressers, I guess you call them. If you watch my dress room makeover, you know that this is not what it used to look like. It used to be an absolute disaster. So I really like how everything's hidden away. And oh yes, this is our, what do you call this, Swiffer kind of thing. Go out here, we're in the hallway. This is our pictures from our wedding and family and stuff. And then we have these two. They used to be in the dressing room. If you saw before, this is where we put them now because there's nothing really here. And our microwave is here now because the kitchen didn't really have space for it before. And then this area is just where Sean gets ready because it doesn't take much for him to get ready and likes to stand up and look in the mirror here. And then we just have like Febreze, lint roller, and some lotion here. And then yeah, so this is just our like underwear and socks and some other stuff. And then this one, oh sorry, my recycling's there, don't mind that. We always have to have a box because we always take it out when it's full. Because yeah, Korea is really good at recycling. So if you turn this way, whoa, it's bright. So this is the living room. And kitchen is here too, so I'll start in the kitchen. Oh wait, so this is the fridge. So we just have some decorations here that I put up and our picture. And let me just turn the light on here because it's hard to see in the kitchen when it's not on. I don't usually turn it on during the day, but just to show you guys I will. So I really like this place because of this island. And it kind of is like our kitchen table. We always eat here, or we'll eat at that table over there. But yeah, so we just have some random stuff here. Paper towel, wet tissue, and some towels. And then we just have our vitamins here. And what else do we have? Oh, this was my bouquet my friend gave me back. I guess as a tradition here, they always dry it and give it back to the bride. Oh, and then our Polaroids, random stuff in there. And then the top is my Polaroid camera. Oh, that box is from Sean's friends. They gave us watches for our wedding. And then this sake set is from my friend David in Canada, actually. We never use it, but it's cute decoration. Then to the left, so at the bottom is our washing machine. I have laundry in there I need to hang up. So most Korean places have the washing machine in the kitchen just to save space, I guess. Koreans don't usually have a dryer in their place. They usually hang their clothes to dry. We just have pots here because there's nowhere else to put them, really. Salt and pepper, sesame oil, I think. Oh, this is because our stove is gas, so we just turn on the gas when we want to use it and turn it off when we don't, obviously. An espresso machine that Marco let us borrow, and then our kettle. We always have some water here because Sean can't drink cold water, so we just leave it room temperature for him. The soap, and we have a drying rack here, so we usually could leave our cups there, but yeah, just have it here for now. Pretty big sink. Oh, if we look up here, so this is actually, I think it's a kimchi fridge, I'm not too sure, but you could turn it on and like have it refrigerate, but we just have it as Tupperware storage. Bunch of stuff I can't reach up there, like I think there's like cleaning supplies and like gloves, extra shit. What's in here? I think it's ramen. This one is, oh, our coffee and extra cups, some instant coffee sometimes when I take it to work. Tea, and more stuff I can't reach, and more stuff I can't reach up there. And then to the left is actually the fridge. So yeah, that's the fridge. Nothing exciting in there. And then the freezer as well. It's down here. Okay, so this is the living room. Love how we get so much sunlight, except I don't like these blue, I don't even know what they are. They said we could take them off, but when we tried, like, it's so freaking hard. But I think it blocks the sun because, like, there it is too, like in the summer. I honestly don't mind. And I think the last people had, what do you call, like curtains or blinds hanging up there. But we don't care that much. It is like the biggest eyesore of my life though. So we have a TV stand with no TV because we were gonna get one, and then coronavirus struck and I wasn't working that much and it wasn't really a necessity that we needed, so it's just sitting there right now. We have our coffee table, but it's kind of just like our gaming area. Sometimes we do eat dinner here though, or lunch or whatever. Oh, so the story with these, okay, hold on. So we ordered these 2 chairs from Coupang, and then we only got those 2 without the legs. So we were like, what? We messaged them and they sent us new ones and they said they would pick those ones up, and then they never did. And Sean is just, Sean wanted to use them here. I sometimes use it. I prefer sitting on the floor though, but yeah, that's why it's kind of random. On the left here is, so this is from our old dressing room if you watched that video, but we've been using it for kind of like our drying area for clothes after we wash them. And Sean just has his backpack here, and the yoga mat I don't use. I'll just show you outside. It's not the best view, but I like how we do get sunlight. I'll take you out here now. We just have our onions and green spring onions out here. So this is like, I don't know, a veranda or something. But we just keep our like luggage here, our winter jackets. So this is also a drying area for your clothes. But when we used it in the winter, it took like 5 days, no, okay, like 3 for the clothes to dry. So that's why we were using the inside area. But I mean, in the summer, I guess we could use this area again, but it is a bit high for me. The one window we can open in this house, and you can see outside. Woo! And there's line 2 right there. And there's like a little walking area. Oh yeah, there's someone out there. Are they on their bike or something? Yes, they are. Yeah. So, well, the air is not that good today. Well, I'll just close it up. Oh yeah, so there's the air conditioner, and then Sean has his license plate. from Canada. So cute. Oh, this is like when someone comes to our house. They like ring us and we can see them. I don't know how to use this, so luckily I haven't been here by myself when someone comes to deliver anything, so yeah. So then to the right is our room. Oh, so I was filming the intro here. Literally nowhere to put this, so it's just here. Usually I have it like this though, so it takes up less space in this corner. But to the right is our bed. So it's kind of like a weird nook area, but I kind of like that our bed just fits right in there. Just because it is out of the way of everything. This is my desk area and then my vanity. My friend Marco actually gave me the vanity because he was moving and did not need it. I think his old roommate left it at his house, so yeah, it's pretty cute. Does the job. Little mirror, and then there's all my makeup and then my skincare all on this side and like hair supplies and extra stuff. So I like how I get sunlight, but I don't like in the morning when I wake up and it's like right in my eyes. But again, I could have, oh, I don't know if you can see up, oh, you cannot see up there. But I could get curtain rods, I just have not yet. This is my whiteboard calendar, I guess you would call it. It's from Zero Space, I love it. They have one for every month, so today's actually March 31st, so I just set it up for tomorrow. It's April, guys. What has happened? Where's the time gone? Okay, so I have my MacBook, and then I just have some postcards and stuff over here, decorations that I haven't put up yet, and then I have, oh yeah, my Korean books and my journals in this thing, and then some pens and my Crayola tips when I'm journaling, and then this is such a random area. Washi tape, some pens I use lately, and then more stickers I have nowhere to put. This area is also like, I just need to put these back, I think, and organize this area. This is where all my notepads and sticky notes are. And then up here, more stickers, and oh, I got some Tombow pens here and notebook. This is my pencil case, more stickers, I don't know where to put them. And then, oh, this is just extra. Oh, I think I have my other Korean books in there and some refills for my A5 journal. And then, yeah, I kind of tried to decorate so it's not so boring, but yeah, this is just what I have right now. Oh, and then over here, I just like to keep extra paper. Oh, kind of tried to see how I wanted to decorate my April setup for this month, and then I got this new sticker case. I finally used the Seoul sticker here, but yeah, I just keep it here because I always want to grab it. What did I just drop? So yes, this is my space. This is where I spend most of my time, actually. Oh, so this is the how you control the heat. I always have to, like, this is to turn on the hot water, and then I go to the third one when I'm taking a shower, and then just turn it off when you're not using it. Yeah. Okay guys, so let me just talk to you real quick about the details. So this place was originally 10 million won, or roughly $10,000 deposit. The deposits in Korea are gigantic, so just be aware. And then the rent every month was 850,000 won, or $850 roughly. In Canadian, it's a bit more, so yeah. But we asked if we could lower the deposit to $5,000, so 5 million won. And they said yes, but it would make the rent go up by like 50,000. So our rent every month is 900,000 won, which at the time we thought was such a steal because in Canada it's like a lot more. Salary and everything in Korea, it's actually quite a lot, especially for me and Sean right now because like especially the coronavirus, I haven't been working that much. Well, it's been a little hard lately and we're just deciding if we want to change our place, which means breaking the contract, or going back to Canada. Just dropping that bomb right there. Yeah, like obviously we can't go right now, but yeah, we're just thinking, cause I mean it's all fun here, but living is like So this is technically an officetel. Ours doesn't have like the second floor. Usually there is like a second area or like a storage room. Some people use it for like storage, or some people have like their bed up there. We don't have that. The one that we looked at one that had one, but the deposit was 10 million and we already knew we didn't want to spend that much on a deposit, so we just opted for this one, and I really like it, apart from a couple minor inconveniences. Yes, so the reason why this is technically an officetel, not an apartment, is also because it comes with the washing machine and the fridge. So in apartments, they don't come with that. You have to buy those yourselves. And yeah, but in apartments too, they have like a separate area that you can put your washing machine, and then you could even possibly get a dryer too, so that's on you though. But yeah, because we just had moved from another country, we didn't want to spend that much on like a washing machine and a fridge, so yeah, we opted for this place and I really like it. It's really close to the subway station, and there's lots of restaurants around here, and there's a grocery store, a convenience store downstairs. So I do like it. Right, so the one thing I didn't know before we signed the contract was there's a realtor fee, which, I mean, obviously there is a realtor fee, but they didn't tell us how much it was. And I mean, we didn't, because we didn't know, or we didn't even think about it, so we didn't even ask, but it was roughly 400,000 won, $450. I think if we knew that before we signed, we would have like negotiated, or I don't know, because when Sean looked at the app, so we found this place on Chikbang, it said they were doing a special and it was only like 100,000 won or $100 for the fee, I think, because they were like trying to, I don't know, doing a sale or something, and they were like, oh no, it passed or something, and we were like, well. So because we're trying to like decide if we want to stay here or not, we already talked to the realtor to put our place on the market or whatever. So a few people have looked at this place, but no one's wanted to move in here yet. And I'm seriously blaming the blue things hanging on the window because this place is actually really cute and not bad, so I'm really sad. Wonder if I should have another go at it, try to take it off. So annoying though, so annoying. Anyways, I think I'm rambling now, so thank you so much for watching. I know a few of my friends will be happy to finally see this on my channel. If you have any questions about how to find a place or anything like that, please leave me a comment below, and I literally respond to everyone, so yeah. I will get back to you. And yes, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and maybe subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't know, if you want, you know. Yes. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!